Now you've got Permethrin 1% for head lice. Now you know Permethrin is traditionally used for the treatment of scabies, and the 5% cream version is the first line treatment for scabies. But it is the 1% lotion that is used for head lice and works to suffocate the lice by coating the surface, and can be used in children aged 6 months and over. Just make sure that you have shampooed your hair, rinse off the shampoo, keep dry and apply the Permethrin. Leave for 12 hours, and if easier, just leave overnight to kill the live lice, but bear in mind that you are not killing the eggs, which can hatch after treatment, so you would want to repeat the treatment 7 to 10 days afterwards in order to kill the lice that hatch after the eggs. Now, lice have developed resistance to Permethrin, so it is not a popular treatment as it might not work for you. And even Dimethicone, which is the first line treatment for head lice, is also developing resistance. Thankfully, there are other options such as wet combing. Now, side effects of Permethrin is that it can cause scalp irritation and itchiness.